Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we are going to see one of the interesting project, that is how to create or generate a image viewer. That means we can generate or create a number of images. It will be shown one by one. How is possible? Means we can do this project with the help of two model called, one is called Tkinter, another one is called pillow model. So what is of Tkinter? Because Tkinter is a model very familiar, and with the help of this model, you can create n number of graphical user interface. That is the advantage. So already done some of the project using Tkinter. So today I want to see one, and one more is pillow. Is a one of the model where support for image library. N number of images you can add and display with the help of this pillow model. So we have, for if you want to implement this project, we have to install the two packages, that is pip install Tkinter, another one model called pip install pillow model. I am executing the project in the Python, sorry, PyCharm. If you want, you can execute in uh, anywhere, Jupyter, anywhere. So the first thing is we are importing the packages. We are writing from Tkinter followed by from PAL and image tk comma image, because just now you shown the screen. So in this one we are generating the title as the image viewer and have a option of exit, back and forward. So here just I'm writing simply. So I'm going to write the forward image underscore number global label, then writing button forward and followed by the label dot get forward. Then I'm giving the label and the sizes, and you know the use of forward. Once click forward, it go to the next image. So here I'm adding just 4 images and showing the two images by understanding purpose. Then I'm writing if image number is equal to 4, writing button underscore forward, where writing the forward button should be disabled because that is end of the image. Okay, if more than 4 not possible, then I'm writing the lambda function and button background color I'm giving and everything I'm writing. Then I'm writing the coding for a back button. So I'm writing the function called definition space back image number, then writing everything and continue as usual in the previous one. And if image number is equal to 1, it will say back, otherwise not. Then root tk I'm giving, root title as image viewer, then size is 700 multiple 700, and this is the important. So I just need told you pillow library is very important. If you write the pillow library, you can invoke this method also, that is image tk dot photo image of image dot open of d colon, because I have saved the photo called paper wallpaper 1 dot jpeg followed by wallpaper 2 dot jpeg and so on. So if you want, you can first download the images, then save properly in your desktop or somewhere and connect it here, and after that you can give the path and view the image like that. Then list underscore images for view the images continuously. Then we are writing the button back again and writing exit button and again button forward. At last we are writing the root dot main loop for main loop for root dot main loop for close the Tkinter window. So once executed, it definitely show the output. Later I may share the source code if you want. So I'm just, if you give exit, it will withdraw. Sorry, it will exit the screen. Up give forward, go to another image like that. So can view n number of images. Sorry, yeah, it's showing like this. This is a simple project how we can generate or create image viewer app, that means displaying the images one by one with the help of Tkinter model. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.